Lips makeup tips for a perfect pout. The perfect pout is more than just applying lipstick. It's an art that requires attention to detail and a few expert tricks. Whether you want a natural look or bold, statement lips, the proper techniques can make all the difference. Here are some essential lip makeup tips to help you achieve a flawless pout every time. 1. Start with lip care. A great pout begins with well cared for lips. Prepping your lips ensures a smooth base for makeup application. 1. Exfoliate. Use a gentle lip scrub or a soft toothbrush to remove dead skin. 2. Hydrate. Apply a nourishing lip balm to keep lips soft and supple. 2. Let it sink in before applying any makeup. 3. Prime. Use a lip primer or a small foundation to create an even surface and help your lipstick last longer. 2. Choose the right products. The right lip products can make or break your look. 1. Lipstick. Decide on the finish: matte for a chic look, satin for versatility, or glossy for a fresh, youthful appearance. 2. Lip liner. Choose a shade that matches your lipstick or is slightly darker for added dimension. 3. Gloss or tint. A clear gloss or tinted balm can elevate your look while keeping it low maintenance. 3. Define your lips with lip liner. Lip liner is a game changer for creating a perfectly defined pout. 1. Outline your lips. Define your Cupid's bow and follow your natural lip line. 2. Overline strategically. If you want fuller lips, overline slightly outside your natural lip line, focusing on the center of your lips. 3. Fill in. Use the liner to fill in your lips entirely to create a base that keeps your lipstick in place longer. 4. Apply lipstick like a pro. Here's how to apply lipstick flawlessly. 1. Use a brush. Use a lip brush to apply your lipstick for precision. 2. Layer lightly. Start with a thin layer, blot with a tissue, and then apply a second layer for long-lasting color. 3. Blend edges. Gently blend the edges of your lipstick with the liner for a seamless look. 5. Highlight and contour for dimension. Make your lips stand out with a little contouring magic. 1. Highlight the Cupid's bow. Apply a touch of highlighter to your Cupid's bow for a lifted look. 2. Shade for depth. To create depth and fullness, use a slightly darker shade of lipstick or liner at the corners of your lips. 6. Add a glossy finish for a luscious, plump effect. Add a layer of gloss. 1. Focus on the center of your lips to catch the light. 2. Opt for a clear gloss for versatility or a tinted gloss for extra color. 7. Long-lasting tips. Keep your lips looking perfect all day with these tricks. 1. Set with powder. After applying your lipstick, lightly press a tissue over your lips and dust translucent powder through it. 2. Use a setting spray. Lock in your look with a setting spray. 3. Carry a lipstick or balm. Touch up as needed to maintain your pout throughout the day. 8. Match your lips to your look. Your lip color should complement your overall makeup and outfit. 1. Bold lips, minimal eyes. Let your lips take center stage with bold colors like red, plum, or fuchsia, paired with subtle eye makeup. 2. Soft lips, dramatic eyes. Pair smoky or dramatic eye makeup with nude or pastel lips for balance. 9. Experiment with colors and textures. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. 1. Try trendy shades like berry, coral, or even metallic finishes. 2. Experiment with ombre lips by blending two complementary shades. 3. Add glitter or shimmer for festive occasions. Conclusion: the perfect pout involves preparation, the right products, and expert techniques. Following these tips, you can create lips that look polished, defined, and irresistibly gorgeous.